Have you ever had a recipe tell you that you needed to cut a chicken breast in half lengthwise and you're like, I don't know how to do that? I'm going to show you really quickly today how to cut chicken breasts in half lengthwise so you end up with two thinner chicken breasts. A lot of times chicken breasts are so thick and it takes forever for them to cook through, and by the time they're cooked through, the outside is overdone. So when you cut them in half lengthwise, they cook quicker and more evenly. So I just take them out of the package, pat them dry with a little paper towel, and then you're going to place a sharp knife along the long edge of your chicken breast and then pull it open and then make long sweeping motions so that you're just cutting a little bit at a time so you can kind of see where you're headed. Then you're going to get them pulled apart and you've got two thinner chicken breasts. We're going to do it again with the second chicken breast. Again, place your knife on the long edge of the chicken breast, make a little cut, and then keep working through just a little cut at a time all the way through the chicken breast. We would love to have you subscribe to the Mom's Dinner channel. We post helpful kitchen videos like this all the time, as well as a new dinner recipe video every Tuesday.